Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. I am going to take the class about encapsulation. Encapsulation is the one of the four fundamental principles of object-oriented programming. It refers to the wrapping of data that is variable and methods function that operate on the data into the single unit of the classes. It involves restricting the direct access to some of the object component to protect the data from unintended interface and misuses. Next one, encapsulation meets design thinking. Encapsulation is the mechanism of binding data and methods together, hiding internal details of an object from the outside the world. This approaches mirror design thinking, emphasizing with the user needs and defining the boundaries, iterating the secure structure, and prototyping with the private members, testing for the improved usability of the system. Next one, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the object-oriented programming concept that means building data that is variable and the methods function operate on the data into the single unit called as class and restricting direct access to the data. Why encapsulation is important? Protect the data from misuse, improve security, and make code easy to maintain, support modular programming, and then encapsulation technique wrapping the data and method inside into the single unit, typically the class. It control access through the public, protected and private members, preventing accidental and modification of internal data. Next one, encapsulation in Python. Encapsulation in Python, achieving the encapsulation using public member, protected member, and then private member. Public member is nothing but accessible anywhere in the program. Protected member, that is variable underscore variable, accessing within the class and then subclasses. Private member underscore variable, accessing only within the data. How Python implement encapsulation? Python use the access specified to achieve encapsulation, public member access from anywhere, and underscore prefix, no underscore prefix. So, for example, self.name. Next one, protected member access within the class and subclasses. Single underscore prefix is used. Self dot underscore age, for example. Private members accessible only inside the classes. Double underscore is prefix. Self dot underscore underscore and then salary. The for examples of the encapsulation in Python, and then it's using the three members, public, protected and then private members. Understanding the encapsulation flow. Encapsulation flow explains how data is protected and accessed in object-oriented programming, especially in Python. Encapsulation flow, user to public method to internal logic, and then private data. Step by step execution. Data is declared inside the class. Variables are kept inside a class. Sensitive data are marked as private. Data is hidden, that is called as data hiding. Private variable cannot be accessed directly. Prevent accident or unauthorized changes. Third one, public method provide access. Getter and setter method control access. Validation rules can be applied. Fourth one, user interact only through methods. User can't touch internal data. Interaction is safe and controlled. Why this flow is important? Ensure security, prevent data misuses, and make the code easy to maintain and support modular programming. Next one, the power of encapsulation. Encapsulation is a powerful principle of object-oriented programming that ensures data security, control, and clarity by binding data and method into the single unit, class, and hiding internal details from the outside the world. Why encapsulation is powerful? First one is data production. Prevent direct access to sensitive data. Allow access only through the control method. For example, self dot underscore underscore password hidden from the outside the classes. Next one, controlled access. Data is modified only through the valid methods. Prevent invalid or accidental changes. Data def set underscore age of self comma age. If age greater than 0, the age self age equal to age. For example, easy to maintain. Internal implementation can change. External code remain unaffected. Code reusability. Encapsulated classes can be reused. Work well with inheritance and polymorphism. And then improved maintainability, reduced bugs, access control. It's also powerful of the encapsulations. Thank you.